Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to copy files and folders on Linux. So in order to do it, of course we have to open our terminal, so we'll go into show apps and now terminal, and right here, first of all I will create some files and some folders to have something to work with. So we will do the touch command as I showed you in the video how to create files. So for example, file like this, file 2.txt, file 3, maybe we will create 4, and file 4.txt, and maybe as you can see our files are right here, and maybe we will create two folders, so mkdir as I showed you in the video of folders, so folder 1 and folder 2. And first of all, how to copy? We use a cp command, it stands for copy. And how can we copy one file to the folder? So for example, if we want to copy something, we will use it like this. So we will copy source to the destination. So first will be source, and the source will be the file that we want to copy, so file.txt, and we, for example, we will copy it to the folder 1, so folder 1, and we will press enter. And right now, as you can see, our file is still here, and if you will leave the folder 1, the file is also in the folder 1. And right now I will show you how to, for example, copy this file also to the home directory, but with the different name. But we have to edit that, because right now the file 3.txt, for example, is empty. So we will write something here, file 3.txt with nano, and we will type in test, and press enter and save that. I showed you in the video how to edit files. I showed you how to do it in the video how to edit files, so you can go back and watch it if you don't know how to edit it with the nano. And right now, as you can see, our file is filled with the text test. And how can you copy it? We can copy it right here, so we will use cp file 3.txt and the name of the new file, for example, new file 3.txt, and as you can see we have a file 3.txt and the new file 3.txt, and it have the same text inside. So cut the file 3.txt and new file 3.txt. As you can see, both have test. And right now, of course, we can copy multiple files to the folder. For example, we will copy maybe file 2 and 4 because we didn't use it. So cp file 2.txt, file 4.txt into the folder 2 because it's empty right now. It will work, of course, so we can leave the folder 2. As you can see, both files are right here. And right now, how to copy folders, because if we do, for example, we want to copy folder 1 into folder 2, and we also want to the file that is inside the folder 1 to be copied, not like this, not copy, but the file that is inside folder 2, we want to also copy it into folder inside of folder 1, we want to copy it into folder 2. How to do it? Because we can't do it right here like this, because it won't work. We can't do it folder 1, folder 2, because it won't work. We have to, as you can see, use the -r, because it is required to make it happen. Right now, as you can see, inside of our folder 2 is on we have only two files. If we will use the cp -r folder 1, folder 2, and we will leave the folder 2, as you can see we have two files that we had before and the folder 1, and right now we can leave the folder 2, folder 1, and the file.txt that is inside also the folder 1 right here, also is copied. So that's basically how you can copy files and directories on Linux. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next video.